Hi guys, it's Raybon Shay and I just received my turntable organizer for the fridge. This is a rectangular shaped organizer and it helps maximize your space. It rotates at 360 degrees. It has a suction cup at the bottom to secure the organizer to the fridge. You can use it to store your spices or anything you want. It's not dishwasher safe, so with cleaning you have to really wipe it down with a towel and soft detergent. So it's not dishwasher safe, guys. It fits in most fridges. It's tool and assembly free, so we don't have to put anything together. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. This is how it looks, guys. Ooh. Guys, it has a heart shape on the bottom. And when you put it in the fridge, all you have to do is slide it and turn it. Wow, look at this. Let me go and put this in my fridge so we can see how it really works. These are the suction cups here. So you just place these at the bottom of the fridge. Let's go install it. Guys, I just installed it and here it is inside of my fridge. And I'm getting ready to save some space. I'm gonna put this up here. This is really a space saver. Guys, this is a great organizer. And all you have to do is pull it out, turn it, and grab what you need. I really like this. I give this organizer a 10 out of 10.